Good morning. Today I would like to explain about Manodharma Sangeet. Ragalapana, Swarkalpana, Nerva. Manodharma Sangeeta has very important role in Carnatic music. What is the difference between Ragalapana and Swarkalpana? Only Tal. For Ragalapana, it has no Talam. For Swarkalpana, we make phrases and they are set in Tal. That is the difference between Ragalapana and Swarkalpana. For example, you take Raga of Hamsadhani. In this Raga, Mochana having notes Shajam, Chatusratrishmam, Antargandharam, Panchamam, Kakal Nishatam, Tarasesham. Same swaras in Avarohana also in descending manner. Using these swaras without talam, covering 3 octaves, that is Ragalapana. First we start slowly and in the middle part increase the speed and in the ending or in conclusion again slowly we sing and then start without talam. Instead of swaras, tadarina. We use tadarina. Coming to Swarkalpana, using swaras, first we make phrases. Using 2 swaras, using 3 swaras, using 4 swaras, zigzag manner or in order. Like that, first we have to make phrases, then we set it down. For example, in Hamsadhan Ragam, Muchna is Sari Ga Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ga Ri Sa Ga Pa Ga Ri Sa Ni Pa Ga Ri Sa Ni Ga Ri Sa Ni Pa Zarika Gapa Ni Bagari Riga Riza Nizariga Zarika. Instead of this swaras, we sing Tadri. For this, no tal. Just we sing swaras. Instead of swaras, Tadri. That's it. For Swarkalpana, Sani Bagari Zari Vatapi Nigari Sani Bagari Vatapi Sari Gapa Rigapa Ni Gapa Niza Rizani Bagari Zari Vatapi. First we make phrases, then we set for this tal. First speed we sing up to 3 to 4 octaves. After that, in third speed. Sari ga pa ni sa sa ni ba ga ri ba ta pi. Easy phrases first. Why? Because we easily sing and also easily remember. Connected phrases, connected swaras. This is Arohan and Arohan. Sariga pani sa sani bagari pa pi. Sagari sani ri sani pa sani bagari sari pa pi. Sari ga pagari sari ri ga pani pagari ga pani sani paga pa pani sani pagari pi. Like this. Gradually we develop using these basic steps. This is circle. Here also 3 to 4 avrutams. In third speed also. After that, Tagimpu Swaras. After that, for every talam count, according to that count, we confuse the Mugu. Neraval, Pallavi or Anpallavi or in Charanam, you take one Sangati, original Sangati, that develops, that Sangati will develop. That is Neraval. Covering 3 octaves. First we sing original Sangati. What we create, that Sangati we have to sing. Again we come back to original Sangati. Like that. Small changes. Swaras. That is Neraval. For example, Hamsadhan Raga, Vatapi Ganapati. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. In Neraval, again we come back to original song. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. For example, I am saying. Again, next song. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Like this. What we create, that we have to sing. After that, again, we come back to original song. That is Neraval. Either Pallavi or Anpallavi or in Charan. We take one Sangati and we develop that Sangati covering 3 octaves. That is Neraval. So, using these basic steps, gradually we improve Manodharma Sangeeta. Already I have told about these things in Telugu. Somebody asked me to explain in English. That's why today I explain about this. Manodharma Sangeetam has very important role in Carnatic music. So, every time we think our own, we create using all these steps. Thank you.